Testing a full face of new makeup so you don't have to. So some of these might not be new, but they're very new to me. Like this Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer, I just put some on, and you guys, this looks insane. Like it's giving glass skin. It's launched in June, so I'm a little bit late to the game, but this is unreal. I've heard amazing things about the Chantecaille Gel Foundation. It retails for $95. Is it gonna be worth it? Using a brush to blend. It says that it's an oil-free foundation, so I feel like I'm gonna like it. The finish is really pretty. It has like the perfect amount of coverage. Am I telling you that you need to go out and spend $95 on foundation? No, but it is really beautiful. Rhode has new shades to their pocket blushes. 2 different shades. This is Tan Line, and this is Sun Soak. Tan Line kind of reminds me of Sleepy Girl. It's more like mauve rose. Sun Soak is more of like an orangey shade, like Spicy Marg. Both are really pretty shades to make my makeup match. I'm going to just use Sun Soak on this side too. Huda Beauty sent me the cutest bag just full of minis. Look at how freaking cute these are. This is the Cherry Blossom Under Eye Corrector. Sent me shade Coconut Flakes in the concealer. I don't think I've ever actually tried their concealer before. Blending out to perfection, making my under eyes look really smooth. The skin is looking good. These are new from Mercier. This is the Brightening Under Eye Setting Powder. They sent me a few different shades. I'm gonna do this side with Peach. Wait, that is really nice. I feel like it just blurred my under eyes so much. And this side, I'm gonna do Soft Pink. Can't tell the biggest difference between the two. They both look amazing. I've been wanting Mercier to release something that's brightening that has like a little bit of a color tone to it, because I feel like the translucent one can pull a little darkness sometimes. One size has new pressed powders. I love their loose powder. I really hope I like this one. This is shade Medium. I'm just gonna go over everything. It looks really good. It's really smoothing. No complaints. The r.e.m. Beauty Serum Highlighter has been out since, it says 2021. I'm just now trying it for the first time. Looks really pretty. This is shade Honey Pot. I'm gonna add this to my nose. I really like this consistency. I prefer highlighters like this that look like your skin. Gorgeous. I've been really excited to try this new launch from REFY. This is the Lash Sculpt, but this is shade Brown. The wand is just really unique. I haven't reached for the black one in a minute. This is making my lashes look really long. Look at that difference. I've not tried the DIBS Lip Liners before. I do like that this has like a little twist up. This is like a cool toned contour shade. Formula kind of reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury lip liners, which I love. I love everything Natasha Denona. These are the tinted lip masks. These actually launched last year, but I'm very intrigued by this one. This one is Berry Bliss. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, that's really nice. I feel like this combo is perfect for fall. I love this. Not sticky at all. Shade is stunning. All right, here is the final look. Really hate to say it, but I loved everything. Let me know what you guys think and which product was your favorite.